Oh, wow, this is a good problem. Simplify the rational expression. So you know that we need to factor the numerator and factor the denominator. Now the denominator is already factored, so we're good there. But the numerator needs to be factored. And how do I factor a 4-term polynomial? Well, I need to factor by grouping. So maybe it's been a minute. Let's take a look at factoring by grouping. This says z squared plus zx plus 2z. Notice how I'll put my lines through the z plus 2x. Okay, I put those lines through the z so I don't think that this is a 2. And now factor by grouping is Spider-Man colors, red and blue, blue and red. All right, let's look at my blue group. What do they have in common? What can I factor out? What's my greatest common factor? Well, a z. And when I factor that out, I'll be left with z plus x. This sign comes down, plus, and what can I factor out of my red group? What do they both have in common? Well, a 2. And when I factor out the 2, I'm left with z plus x. Okay, now am I happy? Yep, I am happy, because these two are the same thing. And we need that to happen, because now when I take this z plus x out, and I'm going to bring it out in the front, you'll see I'm left with z plus 2. So let's do that. Z plus x, and what am I left with? I'm left with z plus 2. Okay, so this is the factored form of the numerator, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it right there where the numerator is. All right. My new numerator is going to be z plus x times z plus 2. And I can tell that I did something correctly, because z plus 2 and z plus 2 cancel out. Okay, I was looking for that to happen. If you factor everything out and nothing cancels out, it's a big letdown. So they're writing these problems so that these things will cancel out. And that's it. That's the simplified form.